Hello, everyone. My name is Shay Fakoya. I'm representing Team 2. We are Team Holo. We have a project called Holo Again. Holo is an advanced holographic technology. Along with me, we have Estella, Arman, Anshita, Colin, and Vishaka. And we're going to be presenting you what we have in store, and we're excited about this. Thank you.
So hi, everyone. I'm Anshita. Olo allows people to communicate with each other using hologram technology. Our innovation is based on advanced communication technology for person to person. Our product aims to create an engaging and interactive experience for people to communicate and is a step up from current 2D video communication on Zoom, Teams, FaceTime, or WhatsApp. Holographic technology will be deployed on smartphones and smartwatches in initial stages and will be expanded to laptop and computer devices once the innovation becomes a dominant design and is adopted vastly. 3D models of people on call will pop up on smartphones and smartwatches, thereby creating an interactive and immersive interaction. Video footage stored on the phone will also pop up in holographic form, making a memory appear as if it were being relived. Holographic hardware will be installed on the phone and smartwatches, so this can display specialized images and videos on phones and smartwatches.
Hi guys, I'm Colin Leffler, and today we're going to be going through the key stakeholder section. So on a specific or internal level, positions of key stakeholders would include any higher ups in a corporation or organization, or just people of significant interest, such as celebrities or performers. Just on a more broader external level, the key stakeholders could just be the general public or anybody who decides to download and use Olo themselves. So further examples of key internal stakeholders would just include directors, CEOs, sales agents, celebrities, government agencies, performers, and really not limited to anything else. These individuals are of high importance due to their ability to set the strategic direction of a company or their widespread influence on the public. For example, if a CEO of a hospital decides to implement this holographic imaging into their program, it might become mandated and similar companies can follow in a similar fashion. Another example would just be like a concert or event by a performer that would be viewed or attended holographically. And this could just like, if they're fans of this artist, they might be persuaded into delving into Olo. So working with stakeholders is crucial for a number of reasons. First and foremost, they can just provide valuable feedback on Olo. In turn, we could use that for future insight or if we need to make future modifications on Olo. If celebrities were using this, it would be adopted on a widespread scale, and just maintaining our positive relationship with our stakeholders will only strengthen Olo's brand name and reputation. And that's all. Thank you.
We'll now talk about how well developed hologram technology is. Holographic technology is relatively an old technology. However, in the 21st century, given the advanced capabilities of computer technology, holographic technology is rapidly developing. The fastest industry adopting holographic technology is the gaming space. With the rise of VR games, gamers can explore virtual realities using this technology with the help of a device. Despite its rapid growth, there are several potentials for development in the future, especially in the advancement of technology to enhance the use and adoption of holograms. So firstly, image quality and resolution. Although the resolution and image quality of holograms is decent, there is room for improvement. Hologram technology will advance once image quality and resolution can be improved. Secondly, there can be improvements in viewing angles. Currently, viewing angles are limited to a particular space and multiple people cannot view a hologram at the same time. Once technology advances, multiple people will be able to view the same hologram across a range of applications, thus making it a more user immersive experience. Thirdly, interactivity. In a science fiction movie, we see holograms as interactive and talking to and responding to an individual or a group of people. But we have not yet reached this level of interaction given the limitations of technology. In the future, we would look to greater interaction with holograms, including feeling an object or individual's presence in a room, even though they are not physically there. So this would lead to them succeeding in creating an alternative reality. And fourthly, material. A range of complex materials are required to create a hologram. These materials include a laser beam to illuminate the object being recorded, and a recording device, photosensitive materials, including films and plates in solution to record the material. The complexity of the material may limit the object that can be used to create a hologram. So development of this technology and an easier way to create holograms can increase its versatility, and holograms can move beyond objects to different environments.
What technology or practice might Holo replace? In a broad view, we believe that holographic technology would impact the way we communicate on the phone, how we travel, how we engage with customer support, and consume entertainment. It may reduce the need for physical travel and allow for effective virtual communication. We believe the Holo technology can replace live shows and improve what we call one-to-many communication in various sectors, such as entertainment, manufacturing, and corporate spaces. Thank you.
I'm Herman Some and part of the team 2. I will be presenting factors that will influence the diffusion of Holo. Holo is based on the hologram technology, which is already widely known and adopted. So Holo is positioning itself as an enhanced communication technology that will emphasize on physical experience and redefine social interaction and enhance consumers' experience. So the following features will accelerate public adoption of Holo. So relative advantage will be Holo will be an augmented communication using the hologram technology, and compatibility will have Holo is not an isolated technology, but a customer's hologram technology with the needs and expectation of the end user in mind. It is compatible with all operating systems already in use. The complexity of the market will be, Holo is an app that is downloadable on any electronic device with a camera and also a screen. It will be available online and in various app stores. The technology will be used will be able to be anyone with experience using apps, any kind of app will be able to use Holo. It provides an attractive and simple user interface that enhances end users' experience. So the triability, Holo will allow users to familiarize themselves with the application and also provide feedbacks. And the feedbacks, the data collector Holo will use the data collected to analyze and also provide more customized user experience. And the main product risk that Holo might be facing is hacking, where consumers or users' privacy might be at risk. And Holo is designed with incorporated cybersecurity framework to protect user privacy and safety. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Estela, and my team and I have decided that in order to launch and diffuse our innovation, we have decided to create an Holo as a platform that allows people to leverage the advanced technology's benefits. And Holo will leverage its advanced holographic technology and make it available to key stakeholders to use it and to build custom products. This will help with custom interactions. And in order to launch the product, we will develop a simple peer-to-peer communication app that individual users can download it and try Holo's holographic technologies out. Next, we will open the tech using the platform approach for other players to use it and to be able to enjoy the benefits. Given the identified industries who will be impacted listed above, well, like my peer Seiji mentioned, we will engage with the stakeholders, starting with those in the gaming, tourism, and travel industries, to integrate our technology into their service to provide holographic solutions. We will continue to improve our holographic technology throughout the time and throughout the time that it is integrated into society.
My name is Vishaka, and I'll be talking about how can we develop a deployment strategy that enhances the likelihood of the success. We will be adopting the design thinking strategy for peer-to-peer communication app to improve the user interaction experience and call it HoloCall. HoloCall will be our approach to deploying our technology to the mainstream. By deploying the app on the App Store and make it compatible with the smartphone and smartwatches. Also, target digital native Gen Z's audience aged from range 11 to 26, living in the urban cities in the United States. And by leveraging influencers marketing, we will drive the use of the app amongst this audience to gain market adoption. Also, by monitoring the progression of HoloCall by applying continuous feedback for each call that the app picks or makes. Also, by monitoring the progression of the HoloCall and giving by the feedbacks to adopt deployment strategies. A blue or green strategy to build identical environments. One environment blue is running the current application version, and the other environment green will run the new version of the app based on the second strategy, which is an in-app feedback rating system. We can collect the real-time user feedback on how the app is performing. This will allow us to quickly improve on its shortcoming and modify the product using the over-the-air update systems.